Location, location, and location.
The old adage certainly rings true for this one, and we haven't even stepped foot inside yet. All that and more on today's episode.
So Brandon, today we find ourselves back in Barrie's North End. We have an absolutely outstanding property we're about to feature, but I want to talk a little bit about what makes this location so special. I happen to be biased because I did grow up in this end of town, but I find it so convenient for absolutely everything. If you're a commuter, you have quick and easy access to the 400. We're just a stone's throw away from the Georgian Mall, which means all the shopping and dining you can possibly ask for. Not to mention there's tons of outdoor recreation here as well. We have East Bayfield Community Center, which comes with sports courts, basketball, tennis, as well as baseball, and a playground for the kids. And the cherry on top of all of this is actually we're in a fantastic school district as well. We have Terry Fox Elementary School and Sister Catherine Donnelly Catholic School as well. It truly doesn't get much better than this for a family-friendly neighborhood.
No kidding, Adam. The north end of Barrie is truly spectacular, but the house we have here for you today is AAA as well, starting with this gorgeous curb appeal you have behind us here on this 110-foot deep mature treed lot, and inside gets even better. We've got nearly 3,000 square feet of finished living space, top and bottom, with 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. Enough talking about it. Let's get inside and check out our newest listing.
Welcome inside 37 Livia Herman Way. Now, after selling real estate for nearly 15 years, I can tell you that one thing has remained true, and that's that almost every buyer loves a bungalow. Now, why is this? It's because they're more rare, specifically in the city of Barrie, where we have a lot of 2-story homes, and people absolutely love these floor plans. What's also rare is to pick them up in this size. On this level alone, we have 1,560 square feet of finished living space, which gives you tons of possibilities. When you come in the entryway, you're immediately greeted with main floor laundry, which is super convenient, and then you flow into this oversized living and dining room, but there's still so much more to see with this floor plan. Let's go find Brendan.
In the back of this house now, where the space just continues, starting with this oversized eat-in kitchen here with the white cabinetry and of course your stainless steel appliance package overlooking the eat-in kitchen space as well, overflowing seamlessly right through the patio doors into your backyard with, again, all of those mature trees that the north end is known for. And if that's not enough space, you can flow right into your large family room, perfect for all those guests in the large family. And the cherry on top is that gas fireplace, keeping you toasty warm in the wintertime.
With most bungalows, we'd be finished the upstairs tour by now, but we haven't even hit the bedrooms yet in this one, and that's because of the size of it. Now, this main floor is rounded out by 2 fantastic sized bedrooms, including the primary that I'm standing in right now, complete with walk-in closet and ensuite, and another full bath on this level, but there's so much more to love about this home. Let's get downstairs and check it out.
Down in the lower level now, and it's quite clear that I'm quite relaxed here because this is one of my favorite places to be in a home, in finished spaces like this, especially one in a bungalow, because what makes this so special is that all of that space that we hit on upstairs is pretty much duplicated down here, as the majority of this level has been finished. As you can see, we have plenty of space in this rec room. We've got room for the ultimate movie or game viewing area here with the TV, tons of room for a few couches or chairs, and in behind, I can't think of a better space to have a playroom or a games room. And there is also tons of space here for all of those overnight guests.
Sorry, Brendan, I think I got a little lost here in the size of this basement, but I think I heard you say overnight guests. And if you're looking to host overnight guests, there's not a better spot to do it. You pick up not 1, not 2, but 3 additional bedrooms down here, a full 3-piece bathroom. Honestly, this is a spot that your overnight guests are not gonna wanna leave.
All right, Adam, we have covered a lot of ground here today, so let's just run through a quick recap. So first off, we've got the location. We've got the highway, shopping, dining, the neighborhood, the parks, the schools, and then here on the property, we have these fantastic mature trees. We've got nearly 3,000 square feet of finished space in this bungalow, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. I mean, what more do you want?
That's right, Brenna. So much to love here, honestly, and so many different use cases, right? If you're a downsizer and you're looking to do most of your living on one level here, you certainly have enough square footage to do that. Or if you're a family and or a growing family, you have tons and tons of space here for that as well, with 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. Cherry on top though for sure is this backyard, right? Again, you mentioned it. We have these beautiful mature trees that the North End is now known for, and we're on 110 foot of depth with a 52 foot wide lot. So again, great privacy back here, lots of potential as well. We are the Knowles Woolsey team and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.